Hi guys. If you are part of a household that you guys have a linked account, which means you have an anchor account, that maybe you're adult, or you are the head of household and you have the anchor account and you have the juveniles in your family as having their own accounts, and you guys are all in different programs because we have something for everybody. I'm going to show you really quickly how to switch between the accounts. So I started out logged into the Anchor account, which belongs to the adult of the household. Over here on the left hand side, you're going to see the reader accounts, and there's going to be a list here where you can bounce back and forth. So here we're going to hop over to Kevin's account. As you can see, this is the one that he has his raffle tickets. He's ready to roll. Um, and so as they're adult, you can really look at the account, see what they've got going on, and then easily hop back over here to the Anchor account where you will be able to track your own progress, your points, your books, everything will be on here, and it works just the same. And I'm going to show you how also to do that on the app. Okay, and if you're on the app, it works very much the same way. Over here on the left hand side, you're going to see your little screen here. Hit that yellow arrow, and right here where it says reader accounts, you can tap right there. Go over here and look at Kevin's again, see what they're up to, or if you need to log for them, anything that you've got, and then you can go hop right back over here onto your account and track your own things. So that's how you do it on mobile, and you should be good to go for tracking for this Hummer, and kind of bouncing back and forth. READSquared makes it very easy to bounce back and forth between the accounts, so it should not be an issue. If you have any questions, you can always call your local library or visit us online at bcpls.org. Thank you.